Papel lang ito. You better go back to them and have the legal. Wala, for what? I am a citizen of this country, a former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you're asking me to go with you? Abogado ka? Ay, tawagan yung abogado mo?
Si Alex. Ay, he used to be
I'm sorry to be talking loudly, but you know, this is a serious matter.
They just transmitted to me sir, a copy of the... Kanina sir, nirequest ko na mapapigyan lang tayo na makausap pa rin mga buwan kami. Kasi wala pang warning na natin get the copy of the warning press. Kasi yung ano requirement.
That is the only legal thing. Yan ang mangyayari dyan.
I-like nyo lang. Bong, meron akong number, Bong. Meron akong cellphone na pwede naman tawagan niya sa auditor yun.
Sige, puro abogado ito dito.
Hindi ba siya makakonect eh? Parang ginagawa yung cellphone.
At this point, I do not take it.
Before you deprive the person, even or immediate, you must have the legal basis. So, show to me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently, I was brought here not of my own position. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi, ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
Yes, sir. I understand, Mr. President. The decision to bring you here is not a decision that was made by us. Hindi po namin decision. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.